I just noticed today that we have now got, for this particular product, the Amazon's choice for the word basketball, which is a pretty sexy thing to have, and also the Amazon's choice for the word soccer for this product, which is pretty sexy to have. So I'm pretty chuffed with that. Now, I will tell you how I did that. It was actually pretty easy to do. Amazon will reward you exponentially for sending paid traffic to your Amazon listing from outside of Amazon. So Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, whatever it may be. They will reward you exponentially for that. Okay, so all things being equal, if you are doing that and your competitor who has the Amazon's choice is not doing that, then you will get the Amazon's choice badges. That's been my experience, and that, I believe, all things being equal, is the thing that makes the difference as far as Amazon's concerned. It's the sales velocity that outside traffic creates for your Amazon listing. Of course, that's what they're focused on. They're focused on you helping them make money. The more you're able to do that, the more likely you are to get the badge. So, Kate, that is the best way to re-win that badge back, because typically what happens, especially this time of year, you have other people competing for that search phrase, for that search term. And if they're doing a good job, they will be sending paid traffic, which is a very, very big reason you will see your own listing oscillate in the search results ranking, oscillate with regards to having the badge, not having the badge. It's because other people are running paid traffic, typically, and it's usurping your own listing. It's usurping your own listing. So that's typically what's happening, Kate. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.